beauties, it's Michelle here at Model Rock, and in today's video we're going to be talking about our sister brand My Eco Beauty Kit. More specifically, we're going to be talking about how to care for your reusable makeup remover pads. So if you've decided to ditch your makeup wipes and adopt a more sustainable lifestyle, you've probably switched over to one of these guys. So not only will the earth thank you, but your wallet will in the long run, as you'll be saving money. But how do you clean and take care of them? Keep watching to find out how. The most important thing is to hand wash them after every use. So the way to wash them is to use warm water and a gentle liquid soap. You lather it between your hands and rinse it until it's completely clean. Doing this right away will prevent the makeup pads from staining. Obviously with the black ones you won't see the stains, but we do also have white and we also have a marble one, so you'll have to take extra care with those and just give them a scrub up. So once you've finished washing them, you need to leave them to air dry naturally before your next use. You can use the inbuilt loop to hang them off any bathroom hook or peg them to your clothesline for your own convenience. Once a week, you need to give them a deep clean. To do this, you simply need to put this in your washing machine with a gentle detergent. Before putting this straight into the washing machine, we highly recommend using an eco-friendly mesh bag. This is one from our range as well. Putting them in the bag will protect them from getting lost in your laundry cycle. Also, when washing these, only use a gentle detergent. Do not use any bleach or fabric softener. What about storage? Now, we recommend putting these in a clean mesh bag, or you can put them in a closed area. This is just to avoid any dirt or dust getting on them. Another little tip you can do is you can store these in a glass jar with an enclosed lid. You can display it in your bathroom or in your beauty area for a nice little eco look. So taking care of your makeup remover pads is as easy as that. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite way to remove your makeup is and why. And have you made the eco switch yet? If you have, let us know what your favorite product is in our My Eco Beauty Kit range. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll talk soon.